Welcome to the channel of Accelerating Physics. In this video, we are going to see the calculation of lattice constant, that is small a. Before that, we will revise some basic part of the crystal structure, that is unit cell. It is the smallest geometrical figure, the repetition of which gives the actual crystal structure. On the basis of lengths and directions of the axis of the symmetry, all the crystals are classified into following 7 systems: cubic system, tetragonal crystal, orthorhombic crystal, monoclinic crystal, triclinic crystal, rhombohedral crystal, and hexagonal crystal. In 1848, Bravais showed that there are only 14 ways of arranging points in space. The lattices are called Bravais lattices. In case of cubic system, there are 3 Bravais lattices, each of which has the same collection of symmetry element at the lattice points. These 3 Bravais lattices are simple cubic lattice, face-centered cubic lattice, body-centered cubic lattice. Now, this is the table which indicates the number of atoms per unit cell, coordination number, atomic radius, and packing density of the simple cubic, BCC, and FCC. Now, in simple cubic, the number of atoms per unit cell are 1, the coordination number is 6, atomic radius is A upon 2, packing density is pi by 6. Body-centered cubic, the number of atoms per unit cell are 2, coordination number is 8, radius is root 3a upon 4, and packing density is root 3 pi upon 8. Face-centered cubic, the number of atoms per unit cell are 4, coordination number is 12, and the atomic radius is r equal to root 2 upon 4 into a, and the packing density is root 2 upon 4 into pi. Now let us go with the calculation of lattice constant A. In this article, we are going to derive a relationship between lattice constant A of the cubic crystal and the density of the crystal material. Let us consider the case of a cubic lattice of lattice constant A, that is, A is the side of the unit cell. If rho is the density of the crystal, then volume of the unit cell will be equal to A cube. We know that density equal to mass upon volume. Hence, mass will be equal to density into volume. Mass in each unit cell can be given as rho into A cube, where rho is the density and A cube is the volume, as A is the side of each unit cell. Let there are n molecules which are called as lattice points per unit cell, and m is the molecular weight and capital N is the Avogadro's number, that is the number of molecules per kilogram mole of the substance. Therefore, the mass of each molecule will be given as m upon n, and the mass in each unit cell will be equal to n into m by n, where n is the number of molecules, or which are also called as lattice points. From equations 1 and 2, we have rho into A cube will be equal to n into m by n. Therefore, A cube will be equal to nm into rho into capital N. Therefore, we can calculate the A, that is lattice constant, as nm upon rho into n raised to 1 by 3. Now, this lattice constant is used to calculate the density. It is also used to calculate the number of molecules per unit cell. We are going to see some of the work problems. Let us consider copper has FCC structure and its atomic radius is 1.278 angstrom. Calculate the density of copper. Given atomic weight of copper is 63.5. Now when the radius is 1.278 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, or it can be 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, that can be considered as the angstrom unit. Molecular weight is 63.5. Here in this case n equal to 4 because we are going to consider the FCC structure, and the number of atoms per unit cell in FCC structure are 4. We have to calculate the density, but before that we will have to calculate the lattice constant A, and the lattice constant for FCC is equal to 4r upon root 2. So substituting the value of r, we will get 4 into 1.278 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by root 2. It will be equal to 3.6152 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. This value of A we are going to substitute in the formula for rho. So rho will be equal to Nm upon A cube into capital N, where capital N is the Avogadro's number, and this comes out to be 8.9254 gram per centimeter cube. The next numerical, calculate the lattice constant of rock salt, which is called as NaCl crystal, which has FCC structure, from the following data. Molecular weight of NaCl will be equal to 58.45. Density of NaCl is given as 2170 kg per meter cube. Avogadro's number is 6.023 into 10 raised to 26 per kg moles. Now we know the formula for lattice constant A. It is Nm upon rho into N raised to 1 by 3. Now substituting the value of N as 4 and the value of M, so we will get the value as 5.634 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, or it can be considered as 5.634 angstrom unit. In this way we can use the value of lattice constant to calculate the value of density, or if the density is known, we can calculate the lattice constant of the unit cell. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.